has done a great job here. They brought to market a quadcopter that meets all the requirements of a mini drone. The price-performance ratio is very good. The device has a normal RC remote control, including a smartphone holder in which the live images from the camera can be displayed on the screen in real time. To make flying this mini drone especially suitable for beginners, there's an automatic takeoff and landing function. There is also the hover function, where the system automatically works in the background and always balances the quadcopter so that it's the perfect flight position and maintains altitude. Thanks to the extensive sensor technology, the drone has perfect features in the air, so that it can be flown by just about any novice. A beginner does not need a particularly long training phase and quickly gets used to the drone. The design of this mini drone is very robust and resistant. The propellers are well protected from the surrounding objects, and if an accident happens, the quadcopter will be damaged only in rare cases. As for the appearance, we're dealing with a matte black color. The camera is the important part of this mini drone. It's a high-resolution camera that sends real-time images to your smartphone. Through Wi-Fi, the image data from the HD camera is transmitted in real time to the smartphone, from where the drone can be controlled using a 2.4 GHz controller. The battery is replaceable, so you can fly as long as you want, as long as you have enough spare batteries with you. The included battery can be charged more than 300 times. As for the flight time, a lot depends on your flight preference. If you're particularly aggressive, the battery only lasts a matter of minutes. In general, it can be said that depending on the battery charge capacity and the behavior of the drone pilot in flight, this will mean 5 to 10 minutes of flight time. For the listed price, we are impressed. If you're